Hello everyone, Silak here and welcome on another tutorial on my channel. So, the last time I showed you how to make a flying script that basically just allows you to fly around the map using a spacebar, but today we will go one step ahead and add an animation to it. So, first thing you want to do is insert a rig. It can be any rig you want. I use black rig here. We will use it to have some base for our animation, so I will put it right here. And the second tool you need to have is an animation editor. I think they both are built-in, but if you don't have those, let me know in the comments. I will tell you how to install them. So now we open our animation editor. There is a little bar. Let me make some more space for the animation editor. Okay, and now we select our dummy. We need to name our animation. I will call it flying. And then we press create. Okay, so the first most important thing you have to do is pressing on those little three dots here, then changing the animation priority to action. If you won't do this, the animation basically just won't work. So now that we are set up, you can make some fancy animation. I will go with something like this, just a very fast, just to show you how it works. Okay, and there's a little hand. Okay, looks amazing, doesn't it? Now I'll copy it here. Okay, so this is how our animation looks like. Kind of funny. So we need to export it. We press on those three little dots again. You're pressing export. Title is set up. We need to type something in description because we want to be able to submit it. I'll just type it like animation. Okay, creator is of course me, and we submit our animation. Now what you have to do is pressing on that link, or no, actually you can copy this ID. Just press on those squares and the ID is copied. Okay, so now that the animation is done, we need to make some changes in the script we created in the last tutorial. So first things first, press on that little plus and set a new animation, and now you paste here the animation ID you have saved before. Okay, so if you press enter, this should be added. If it doesn't, you have done something wrong. Okay, now we enter the local script, and there are a few changes we need to do here. So first things first, let me create a section for animation. We define our animation. So the animation is scripts wait for child animation. The second thing we need to do is load the animation to the humanoid. So we need to get humanoid first. Equals character wait for child humanoid. And now we need to get a loaded animation. It's equals humanoid load animation. And now we need to set loaded animation looped to true, so the animation won't stop after a few seconds. And now we need to set a place where we start the animation and where we end the animation. So there's where we will start animation. So we do loaded animation play. And this is where we stop our animation. So we do loaded animation stop. Okay, now everything should be fine. Let me play it as the game. And yeah, the animation is working. It looks kind of hilarious, but as you can see, it works. You can make your own animation, your own design. It's up to you how you create your animation. This is how mine looks like. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.